I'm Anil Kumar. I've taken up 4 examples in this video on order of operation. We'll evaluate each of the following. 2 expressions are right there, and I'll take 2 later. We have 2 times 4 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 5 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. And I have a very similar expression here except for that I've placed a bracket. So that will make a huge difference, right? Okay, so we'll see what kind of difference it makes and then we'll move on. When we do order of operation, we have a acronym. Some people call it BEDMAS, PEDMAS. Now these short forms help us remember what are the order of operations. So B is for brackets, E is for exponents, D division, M multiplication, A addition, subtraction. Effectively, you should follow this order. Whatever it is, first and most important is brackets. And after brackets, we do exponents. Now in some parts we call it powers. And therefore you'll have different acronyms, right? And then we have division and multiplication. Let me write the symbols, division or multiplication. Now they actually take the same priority. The only thing is you have to always do from left to right. Right? And then we have addition or subtraction, and from left to right applies to addition and subtraction also. So these are actually same priorities, but we have to do from left to right. Okay, let's take few examples and then it will be very clear to us. Now in this expression we do not have any brackets or powers or exponents. We're only working with multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. The first thing which you have to do is division. See, division and multiplication, they are same priorities, and multiplication. Now when I say left to right, what I'm trying to say here is first do whatever is on the left side if we are working at the same level, that is multiplication and division, right? So we'll do 2 times 4 first, which is 8 plus. Now we can do this operation, 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and copy rest, plus 5 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5, right? So that becomes your expression. Now you don't really have to do all additions. Addition and subtraction is same priority, right? We are left with an expression where we have only addition and subtraction. So we'll do from left to right. Do you understand? So start adding from left side or subtracting. For example, let me do one by one. First do 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So let me add these first. I'm just doing in steps. You could have done everything together. 14, let me write 14 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. There was no need to stop here. Let's be very clear, okay? You do 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is what? So it is 6, right? 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So you get your order of operation. Do you get the idea? We could have got 4 directly also. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Take away 8. 14 take away 8 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, I hope that is clear. So once we are at the same level, move from left to right. Do not jump for plus first, negative later. That is going to create a lot of confusion. Avoid it. The next example here, I have introduced brackets. Now when I introduce brackets, it takes the priority. We have to first do brackets, correct? So let's copy rest as such. So we have 2 times 4 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 5 minus whatever is in the bracket. So we are doing this operation first. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 take away 5 is 6, right? So we'll write 6 here. Do you get it? Now, the priority is multiplication and division. Do from left to right. Do from left to right. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 5 minus 6. Addition, subtraction, just do it in a straight line. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Take away 6. 14 take away 6 is 8. So you get 8 as your answer. So I hope this is absolutely clear, right? So let's move on and we'll take two more examples and I'll introduce you to powers also. Now here we have similar numbers as we had in the previous section. The only thing is we have introduced powers. So let's remember our acronym is BEDMAS. We call it BEDMAS, which has groups. This is same group, division, multiplication, and this is also same group, addition and subtraction. So let's look for brackets first. So we have a bracket, we'll do brackets first. So the first operation to perform is brackets. Let's do that. It gives us 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6, divided by 2, plus 5 times 2, minus 3 square. Now what is the next operation to be done? The next operation to be done is exponent. So we'll do this one now. Is it okay? So we'll write this as 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 times 2 minus 3 square, which is 9. Do not square negative. Only 3 is squared. Okay. Now what is the next operation? We already taken care of brackets and exponents. Now division, multiplication. So that is 1 division, 6 divided by 2, and then we have a multiplication. We'll do from left to right. So we'll do division first, right? So we have 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 5 times 2 is 10. Do you see, we did it in one step, but we went from left to right. It is important to understand we are going from left to right. Now addition and subtraction will again go left to right. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. Take away 9 is 6. Correct? Take away 9 is 6. Now sometimes it is easier to do this one. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then you can add 1 to all this, right? So we get 6 anyway. So what I'm trying to say here is addition, subtraction is same level. You can perform anyway, but preference is from left to right. Sometimes you can make a mistake when you jump here and there. So avoid it for the beginners, right? Let's take the next one. We again have brackets including powers, correct? So the priority is brackets. So first thing we are doing is this bracket, inside bracket. Do you see that? So we'll copy the rest. 2 times 4 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 5 plus. What is there in the bracket? Minus 2 whole square. Now you have to do this bracket and power combination. So we have 2 times 4 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 5 plus. Minus 2 square is plus 4. Minus is also squared, correct? Now next operation is multiplication and division as we had been doing earlier. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 minus 5 plus 4. And now from left to right, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, take away 5 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So you get 8 as your answer. So I hope that really helps you to understand the steps involved in order of operation. So I'll give you a link for more practice questions. I hope that will help you. Thanks for watching my video. Feel free to write your comments and share them with your friends. Thank you and all the best.